Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to pass Gotranscript MCQs test as well as audio test. So first of all, before starting the test, first step is you must read Gotranscription guideline rules. These Gotranscription guideline rule is very important. You must read all these guidelines all the way to the end 1 to 2 times. This will help you during the MCQ test and audio test as well. So you must read these transcription guideline rules. This clean verbatim section is very important section. You need to focus on this section very carefully. So after reading all these transcription guideline rules, you easily pass MCQ test and audio test. So after reading this transcription guideline, let's start MCQ test first. And here is to apply for transcriber position, you must complete quiz 100% correct using our guideline. Each question can have one or more correct answer. So first question is, how does timestamping every 2 minutes look? There is 5 different options and correct option of this question is option C. Speaker 1, then colon and then timestamping. If you have any doubt related to this question, timestamping, you simply check transcription guideline and here is every 2 minutes. If you click here in example docs and PDF, you get the example of every 2 minutes timestamping. So that's why this is the correct option. Second question is, if you could not understand something, what would you do? There is 3 different options and if you could not understand something, what should you do? So there is 4 different options and correct option is option B. B is the correct option. Mark that would as unintelligible with the specified time, unintelligible and then time stamping. If you have any doubt related to this question, you simply follow transcription guideline. So you simply follow transcription guideline to get the answer of this question. So next question is third question. Why should you always transcribe file on your own? There is 4 different options. First option is using AI is a breach of co-transcription advertisement for 100% human generated transcription service. Besides, AI not help you with the real work either due to its quality or variety of accents you will come across. So this option is correct option because if you use AI is a breach of code transcription advertisement for 100% human generated transcription service. The option B is even if AI produce nonsense in the transcription, the most important thing is the client can understand the meaning of such sentence. So that's why this second option is false option. And so third question answer is first one. Fourth question, what is the proper format of speaker label? There is 6 different options. You simply check transcription guidelines to get the answer of this question. Speaker label and mock time stamping. If the speaker name is mentioned at, so this is the format of speaker label. First speaker name and then colon. So that's why option C is correct option because speaker written always in bold form and then colon. So that's why this C option is correct option. Fifth question is what is the correct format of the website link? There is two different options, and we check the transcription guideline to get the answer of this question. Always write links like this: www.facebook.com Gotranscript. So this is the correct format, and never write it like this. So according to the transcription guideline, first option is correct option. Sixth question is if there is a name you cannot make out due to the speaker minus speech, what are you supposed to do? There is four different option, and correct option is first one, mark it as unintelligible and then time stamping. If you have any doubt related to this question, you simply read transcription guideline, you get the answer of this question and you clear the doubt as well. Seventh question is if a speaker had a grammatical mistake, how would you work? How would a worker have to transcribe it? For instance, I has a puppy. So grammatical mistake, simply check transcription guideline and do not correct grammatical error made by the speaker. So according to the transcription guideline, do not correct grammatical error. So first option, do not correct grammatical error made by the speaker, I has a puppy. So that's why according to the transcription guideline, this option is correct. Other two option is false option. Eighth question is how should you transcribe a spell word? There is four different option, and correct option is option D. It is a transcription and then spell a transcription word using dash between the character. If you have any doubt related to this question, you simply follow the transcription guideline and you get the answer. If a speaker spell a word name, for example, my name is Anna, so you need to spell in this way. So that's why this option is correct option. Ninth question is how should we transcribe and punctuate filler words in full var BTM? There is four different options, and correct option is option A. A is the correct option. If you have any doubt related to this filler word, you simply read in transcription guideline full var BTM section and you understand this question as well. And next question and last question is I have dash and dash. So there is four different option, and correct option is option B. Option B is correct option because money written in numerals form. So if you have any doubt related to this question, you simply read transcription guideline in numeral section. So if you scroll in, so this is the numeral section. If you read this section, you easily understand why option B is the correct option. So after all, you simply need to click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, you move to the next page of Gotranscript audio test. So before starting audio test, make sure you read Gotranscription guideline 1 to 2 times. Without reading transcription guideline, you never pass Gotranscript audio test. So you must read, take a time, and you must read this Gotranscription guideline before starting the audio test. And you also check all tests to understand how transcription guideline apply into the audio test. So this will help you in audio test. So after reading this transcription guideline and checking the old test, let's start the audio test. I already transcribe audio test into text form. You need to simply apply transcription guideline into it before submitting the audio test. So let's start the audio test.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at Gotranscript.
Wow. So it's kind of cool that we're doing this, ain't it? I mean, that we're able to transcribe stuff like, you know what I mean, words and such. And, following, Gotranscript's guidelines means that a lot of what you hear isn't going to be written exactly like you're hearing. If you're going to be a Gotranscript transcriber, you have to proofread your work and get rid of all the filler words and stuff like that. If they use the word like a lot, or say or false starts, that kind of thing, you really have to clean it up and stuff. It's a pain in the you-know-what, but it's kind of like real transcribing. Also, there's going to be a lot of noise in the background sometimes. I mean, it's not so common nowadays, what with the pandemic and stuff, but a lot of, interviews will be in, noisy restaurants or coffee shops, or maybe at the, the Gotranscript factory or stuff like that. So you really got to listen. Also, it's always better to tag something with unintelligible or inaudible tags if you really can't understand it. Some of these weird Gotranscript people like to throw in obscure names like, Squeedly Spooge or Lord Lancaster Stilt Stalking, stuff like that. You got to look up and make sure you get it right. Don't just, hypothesize because, chances are you'll be fallacious. Also, it never hurts to provide a link to your research, like if you looked up a name. Some of those Gotranscript editors are disproportionately impressed by Weisenheimers like that. It never hurts to polish the old apple once in a donkey's age. Eeyore would approve, although he'd be grumpy about it. Anyway, that's all for now, except make sure you look at the Gotranscript guidelines and, seriously proofread your work before you submit it. If you don't, or if you're, obviously cutting and pasting, cheating and stuff like that, you'll be in reject city before you know it, and the view ain't so great from there.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at Gotranscript.
So friend, this is the audio test for today. I hope this video is helpful for you, and before submitting the audio test, make sure you apply all Gotranscription guideline rules. So friend, this is the video for today. Please like this video and also do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.